Hey, hello guys, it's a beautiful day again. Today is a new update regarding Wcoin Wcoin. This is an update just like a mining app, but it's not like a fake one. They are, according to them, they are listing this month. They are taking snapshot on the 27th of this month, according to the official announcement in the official community. I will link this airdrop for those that haven't joined. For those that have joined, quickly go to the community of this group and you will see the news that I've just updated. So guys, today is on the 3rd of October. Today is 3rd of October. So they are currently mining two coins. One is Wcoin. Take note, Wcoin, and the other is WAI coin. Now these ones, you quickly go on it and claim on it every 8 hours. You can see I have 600 coins here, 600 coins, 3.25 per hour. That is what I'm mining in that space, WAI coin. Now they say these two coins are separate. That is what they said. It's not different. They are different coins, not the same. So if you are mining these coins, it means you are getting 2 coins according to them. Now you can quickly go to staking of your coin in the option. Any airdrop you have option of staking, you can go. You can say I have 8 million coins staked here. I have 5 million coins. I have 44 million coins staked in here to get 53 million coins. You can see that is an easy way to increase your coins before the initial listing. You understand? That is one of the ways to increase your coins balance before the initial listing. So quickly go on this and follow tags. They said they take this serious. Let me show you the community. According to them, look at it. Look at this. What I'm saying. Wcoin snapshot incoming 27th of October. We will be taking a snapshot of all mates, which is all players. Hurry and gather your coins from all sources, because after the snapshot it might be too late to make changes. Now let's see the topics, what they are emphasizing upon. Now let me show you where I am. This is where I am. How to be prepared. Your account should be verified, which is connect your wallet and follow your account. Just register, follow your community, just follow the process of usual mining and follow all the tags. That is how to be verified. More will be coming on that. Connect your Ton wallet, must be connected. This is 1. 2. Complete daily tax. Number 3. More than 10 stakes should be claimed. Regular tax activity of meat. Regular tax activity, which is enter daily tax. I will show you real quick now. And active meat, which is you have to be active to be airdropped this coin that will be take a snapshot 27th. You got to be active. That is, you have to log in every day, or if not, every day. If not every time, just log in once in a day or twice a day. Perform the tasks. You are already active. Just be there every day, like log in every day. You pick your phone, right? So every day, why not entering some of the tasks that will give you some certain coins in your wallet that you might later snag for currencies or little money. So there are most of them that have paid recently. So follow these rules strictly and to be prepared. Take note of this. This is the full criteria. Join the community through the link, through this app, through the mining app. The tags, you will see the option to join them. Follow their community through the tags. You can see the completed tags. Join their community through the tags. As a new beginner, if you have not joined, join so you can be seeing that information by yourself and read them by yourself. So guys, this is the quick update I wish to share with you. This is how to be active. Tax. This is the tax they say you should perform, and this is to be active. Active mates, people that are your referral as mates, which is you have to have active referrals too. That is one of I think that will join, but that is not your fault if they are not active. You can't force anybody. Just be active yourself. That's what is necessary. And don't forget to claim your extra WAI coin. They said it's separate. It's not the same as Wcoin. So take note of that. They say 10 stake. This is taking 10 stake, which is you have to stake 10 times. I've staked multiple times. Let's check my completed ones. Let's see whether I've staked up to 20, up to that amount. I've staked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. This is my number 10. I've staked more than 10 times. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, almost 20 times. If these counting ones have completed, it will be 20 something stakings, which is fully verified. I think this is one of the criteria. This is how to connect your wallet. This is your wallet. Tap on it when it's connected. Mine is connected. Account verified. You see, account verified. Connected address. I'm verified already. So Wcoin 600. The current balance I have is Wcoin. The one I have in the balance Wcoin 620. The one I currently have that I have not staked is 1.5 million coins. Not on the snapshot though. That's what is there. So and look at the face they have. They have selected their coins to be launched on Torn, and their airdrop is where they are. Now this is the airdrop. Exchange listing is what will be next after the airdrop, which is initially they might list this month or probably October, November. That will be the listing. But the snapshot is this month, which is they are ending the mining, or they say there's no session 2. Yeah, they say there's no, though they didn't announce that, but I think if there will be session 2, so season 2, they will announce it. But I think after this airdrop season, which is where they are going to be giving very soon after the snapshot, it will be listing, and it will be very sooner. I think these two work together. Airdrop and listing works together. That's how it usually works. After airdrop, listing is so very soon. It could be the same day, it could be the next day, it could be the next week. That's how airdrop and listing usually works. Some usually tag their own airdrop and listing in the same line. They don't separate it like this. Some just put airdrop and listing in the same phase. You understand me? So it's not bad. Some also do theirs like this. So take note, they're already in the phase and I'm already verified. So if you are not verified, follow this process and boom, you are done with the updates. So follow the rules and updates I have just posted. It will help you a lot. So guys, if you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video massively to others, and you can join my community, my WhatsApp group community. You can see someone just joined. You can join to participate. This is ONX. I've talked about it already, and I've talked multiple, and this is also few members that have joined recently, so you can join. This is reactions. This is some reactions, which is some people that are just sharing their reactions in the group, so you can join also. I think there are over 100. There are over 131 members, legit members, real members that are already in the group. So join to participate in the airdrops and make money like others. I post update airdrops and I talk about them, and I just post. I post and I update you about what I post, so you could claim it as soon as possible. So guys, if you like this kind of content, you want to join my community, you're interested to watch more or hear from me another day, do well to subscribe so you can hear from me another day. If not, you might not hear from me in your section. So to hear from me another day, you got to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified that this creator have created another video that you may like. That is the purpose of subscription. And also like the video if it add value to you. Share the video to others. Comment your opinion whether if it add value to you. Comment thank you or whatever you wish. Anything you want to know, or if like a question, how can I join? Comment whatever you wish. Your opinion is necessary in the comment section. That's why they created it there, for viewers to comment their opinions. Share the video to others so others could see this video and this content, because most people are they are interested in this kind of things. They are having no platform to see it. So you sharing it to them, you have already given them the opportunity. You can say I've posted it here already. I've posted it before making this video, so everything is here before that channel. So take note of that and God bless you guys. Peace. Bye.